Hello everyone, this is Kate with streamline Marketing. Today I want to go over with you how you can send out your Just Join Forces graphic using an email campaign and command. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to our designs. We want to make sure we have that. Typically, if you onboarded with our team, you should have a design similar to one of these. And from there, we can go ahead and go straight into campaigns. Once we are in campaigns, we're going to go ahead and hit create campaign, and we are going to select email. Now from there, I'm going to just name this just joined. This name here is your name. Nobody else is going to see it except for you. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to name this brand awareness since it's about us and getting our name out to our contacts in command. From there, I'm going to hit create campaign. And then I'm going to be brought in where I can complete that campaign. So again, I'll see that name that I created here. I'm going to see the account that I'm in. I'm going to see my send to. This is where you can create a email list. You can create that by tags. If you have specific tags, we'll go ahead and use class demo. I'm going to name this. We'll name it class demo since that is our tag, but you can identify any of the contacts in your database that you'd like to send this to. You could also just scroll through all of those contacts and select everyone. And then you can go ahead and hit confirm. Now, one thing I like to mention, if you are using a tag and you are adding new contacts to your command using that tag, your email list is not going to update. You're going to want to manually update that. Same if you're selecting all. So anytime you're adding new contacts, if you're wanting them to be added to an email list, you'll want to make sure to update that. We're going to go ahead and hit confirm. And it will only pull contacts that have an email, otherwise they won't be listed. Now moving from there, you're going to see your send from. This is the sender name that the recipient will see in their inbox. This is the email that anybody that replies to that email, their reply is going to be forwarded to this email. And then over here on the right, you're going to set your subject, okay? So you could name this just joined. Whatever you want, whatever is eye-catching, whatever is going to maybe get people to click on it and read it. Maybe I just started a real estate career or something along those lines. Again, whatever you want to put here, you can add. And then we either want to create an email. This is a simple email with just text, or we can use this add design. That's going to allow us to see any of our email designs within our Command Designs platform. And we're going to go ahead and select whichever one we want to use. It's going to allow us to preview that and make sure that everything is there and everything is correct. And then we're going to go ahead and hit select. Now you can go in and edit if you do need to make changes. But once we hit select, you're going to see our design here. And then from there, you can still change that design. You can remove it, edit, and then you can also go ahead and save the draft. You can schedule this to send at a specific date and time, or you can send it right now. Other options are going to be your actions where you could preview that email like we just did a minute ago, or you can send yourself a test email. Okay, so if you want to see what that will look like when they receive it, you can send yourself a test email and type in your email to send that to. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and save this draft. I don't want to actually send this out today, but that is how you would go about sending this out to your contacts in command. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Our email is support@scotlandmarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.